The Fuelox fuel supplement, get it while it lasts. Well, what do we have here? First, Super Clean decides to sponsor the channel. And now, the Fuelox came through with their best fuel additive they have. And we got it right here. We're going to talk about the Fuelox fuel supplement for your vehicle, why I'm using it, the results I'm seeing. And if you guys wait till the end, there's going to be a discount code. If you type it in, you get a discount for this product as well. So some of you guys know that I'm doing a turbo build. I'm currently tuning my Honda Civic on Honda tuning software, and I ran into an issue where I had a fueling issue and I can't really figure it out, whether it's the oxygen sensor, the mass airflow sensor, if the fuel injectors are dirty or clogged. But regardless, the Fuelox came through. They sent me some of their merchandise here to test and to see if that's going to help the current problem that we have with the vehicle. And the Fuelox, guys, here is the best fuel additive that you will put in your vehicle. We're going to talk about that right now. Do I gotta say any more? Just go ahead and buy it already. Fuelox was developed to be used in vehicles in the United States Department of Defense. Vehicles that have extremely high demands and need to run for our country. In summary, what does Fuelox do? What can it do for your vehicle? Well, it reduces emissions. It makes a cleaner combustion and burn. It removes water from your gas tank. It can be used on gasoline or diesel vehicles. It increases fuel economy and power, and we'll talk about how it increases power in a little bit. It also stabilizes fuel, so if you guys are storing vehicles throughout the winter, this will help. A lot of people use Stable as your fuel additive of choice, but this will do the damn job just as well. And it cleans and lubricates like your typical fuel injector cleaner. So this one is the best one on the market. And the beauty of Fuelox is its treatment contains a patented combustion catalyst that lowers the combustion point of fuel, and it causes an earlier, more sustainable combustion cycle. This is very, very highly concentrated, so one bottle like this will last you a very long time, since you're only using small portions to dilute in your gas tank as well. It is 100% soluble in petroleum-based fuel, including gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. Part of the reason why this catalyzes the fuel better is right over here. The secret is, normally your fuel is tightly compact together, but what Fuelox does is it separates the fuel molecules so oxygen can reach it faster, and the faster oxygen can reach it, the faster the explosion happens, better and more controlled the explosion is, and thus they're claiming that it can create more power in your vehicle's engine. The science makes sense. We'll be testing it in the future. Thank you, Fuelox. I appreciate you guys sponsoring this video, sending out some merchandise of yours. Hopefully these products help clean out my fuel injectors and do everything that they claim to do to
increase horsepower, improve emissions, reduce.
All right, big shout out to Fuelox. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you guys for supplying some merch. We definitely will use these products in our vehicles here, and we'll come back and explain the benefits they provide, firsthand real world experiences. If you guys sticked around to the end, I promise you a discount code. So if you go on the link provided down below on Fuelox and check out with the promo code BULLI23, you guys are going to be entered to have a 15% discount on the purchase. Buy yours today. Best all-around fuel additive on the market. All right, guys. Well, I got a jet, but subscribe to the channel, like the video, show some support. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold.